Hello and welcome to another Parts Factory installation tutorial video. Today we're going to be fixing an interior sun visor on this 2008 to 2012 Hyundai I30. Now specifically this video is actually going to demonstrate both how to install it, and also it'll demonstrate what it looks like when a sun visor is failing, so you know when yours is ready to be replaced. Guys, if this is a part you're interested, I'm going to chuck the link for the part in the bottom of this video, and I'll put a link in the top right corner. You can head on to our website. I believe they start at $103.30. As you can see, they are a direct replacement. They're exactly the same replica as the OEM parts, and of course they're going to work as Hyundai intended them to work. Alrighty guys, let's show you what it looks like when they're failing. Righty guys, in your Hyundai you might find that one of two issues. You'll either have this plastic cover missing, completely snapped off like that, and it's supposed to have one of them, or you might find that the sun visor hangs down and it might even drop down in your face, and no matter what you do, it won't actually stay up. See, some people will put a bit of Velcro on each side and Velcro it to the top, but of course guys, the real way that it should work is something like this one over here. You bring it down, you pop up, do your makeup, do whatever, and of course it pops back up into place like that. So that's kind of what we're going for. Right, so we're gonna just demonstrate quickly how to remove a visor like this. As you can imagine, it's super easy. You got two Phillips head screws, and obviously that's just a clip in. So if you literally just undo these two screws, now I want you to remember guys, the reason that the whole thing we're about here at Parts Factory is we're about demonstrating to you just how easy it is to perform your own repairs on your own cars. A job like this, a roadworthy guy might charge you, say, $200 for the visor. Of course, he's making profit on the sale of the visor, but he's also going to charge you half an hour just to do this job. As you can see, it's a 2-minute job. Like, it literally is that easy. We're literally just going to put it back up like that. I believe there's a hook, yep. So it actually hooks in like so, and then it pushes up, and then you grab your Phillips head. Whoop. Hopefully you don't drop your Phillips head. Bit fiddly. Just insert it up into there, tightening it back up. And as you can see guys, super duper easy, nice and straightforward. Tighten them up a bit, and that's the whole job finished in literally 1 minute. Hey guys, all done. Now as I said, imagine going to a mechanic and paying them half an hour's labor, which is about $50 to $60 at these rates, just to do that super duper easy job you can do yourself at home. That's what we're all about here at Parts Factory Australia guys. Hey, in the future, you might find you need this type of content again, so maybe give us a like or at least subscribe, and that way if you're interested in this type of thing in the future, or you need this type of thing in the future, you can come back onto our channel and see if we have a video demonstrating something else. Alrighty guys, as I said, link in the bottom if you're interested in the part. I'm Lucas Drabsch, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.